everyone, this is Canary and I'm Dyonne, and welcome to Canary and Dyonne's 12 Days of Christmas cards. Today is day 3. I wonder what it's going to be today. Door number 3 of our 12 Days of Christmas card is the Gingerbread Man. What we need to make our Gingerbread Man card is some card, which I've just cut up and folded in half. I'm going to use our pencil again, just to help us draw it. We've got my rubber or eraser, wherever you're from and however you say it. And then we have our colours that we're going to use to colour in the Gingerbread Man, and also a felt tip pen to outline it. Okay, so to begin, it's quite simple, I believe, to do our Gingerbread Man. We're just going to draw the head. We're not going to stop. We're going to go around and then down and up and down and around, and then we're going to bring the arms around, and then we're going to connect. There we go. And then you can just connect here for the neck if you like, and not to worry if you're not happy with it, you can just rub it out just like so, because I don't like this part here, so I'm going to just do it again just so it connects better. There we go. All right, and that is the first part of our Gingerbread Man. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, it can just be however you like. Now, with our Gingerbread Man, I'm going to give him some eyes, like so. Then I'm going to give him a button nose, and also I'm going to give him a smiley face. Then he likes to have lots of buttons going all the way down. And then I think I might give him some hair. What do you think? Give him a little curly hair at the top. Now, you don't have to do this, but this is what I like to do. Then I'm going to draw a line here and a line here. And I'm going to draw a line here and a line there. And that is the base of our Gingerbread Man. Now it's time to colour Gingy in. So I think I'm going to have a pink Gingerbread Man, because pink is my favourite colour. So I'm going to colour his body in pink, just like so. Gingerbread Man, because pink is my favourite colour. So I'm going to colour his body in pink, just like so. Great. Now I'm going to give Gingy, I think I'm going to have him, some blue shoes. And then I'm going to give him some green hands, which I think is pretty cool. And then once you have finished doing the gloves, you can then move on to the head. And I think I'm going to give Gingy a golden face. which I think it'd be cool to have. And then with his hair, I think I'm going to give him some orange hair. There we go. And for his eyes, I'll give him some red eyes. And I'm also going to give him some red buttons. Now I forgot to go around the eye now I forgot to highlight Gingy from before. That's okay, I'm just going to do that now, and then I will rub out the pencil afterwards. And don't worry if the colouring pencils also rub out, you can just fix that in afterwards. There we go. So back to the pink. Just make sure I then recolour in all the pink. Then I'm going to recolour in the blue. Then I'm going to recolour in the green. And recolour in the brown, the goldy brown. And recolour in the red eyes. And the red buttons. And then recolour in his hair. There you go. And that is your gingerbread man done in your own way. Now you can also write a message to whoever you like. So I'm going to write this one for Canary's friend Jackson, who loves gingerbread men. To Jackson, Merry Christmas. From Canary. There we go. See you tomorrow.